As per usual, I begin my push day with the lateral raise. This machine does allow me to really load up on weight. However, I am trying to put an active emphasis on keeping the tension on the shoulders as opposed to moving it into the traps.
That looks better right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. God damn. All right.
Look at it when you lift it, doesn't matter the angle.
Yep. Gotta lift this shit. Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm particularly careful when it comes to my pressing movements, as I did injure my pec a few years back. So like on that previous set, you saw me bail on the last rep, because the last thing I want to do is push it too far and end up further hurting myself. So better safe than sorry. And I'm really here to just continue to stimulate the muscle, not annihilate. It took me a while to get used to this incline press machine because it has this lever with the foot pedal to where as you're pressing, it causes bumping in the movement. So now using a 45-pound plate to keep that propped up. That way I can have a smooth movement all the way throughout. On to the prep update. The first 2 weeks were interesting as I ended up going up about 8 pounds due to the fact that I added in a couple of compounds right before the start of prep, which I'm going to post my full stack on IG later on next week. But the third week, I ended up stabilizing in weight, and then the fourth week, I actually started to come down in weight. The rate of loss that I'm going for is 2.3 pounds per week. So I want that to be my average morning weight. So this week, it looks like I'm set to hit that goal at least one day out of the week, but moving forward, I'm going to want to hit that goal as the average for the week. So I'm really interested to see how things go, and I'm excited to see the final outcome.
fazer, tudo que não se pode dizer, tudo que não se pode, tudo que não se faz. Amor, eu te peço uma hora, pode deixar que eu volto agora. Tudo que não se pode, tudo que não se faz. Hoje eu tô a fim de fazer tudo que não se pode dizer, tudo que não se pode, tudo que não se faz. Cara, acha que sou boa pessoa, que não rodo nas ruas à toa. Me conhece direito e me pega de jeito.
Thanks for watching all the way through to the end. I'm glad you enjoyed it, and if so, I'm sure you're going to love this next one. Check it out, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.